Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill comes with the user manual, nail drill, the handpiece, nail drill bits, a handpiece holder, a charger, another handpiece holder, and a nail drill bits. MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill is an updated version of MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. It is vintage style like the MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill is very powerful, up to 35,000 RPM. It's the smallest and the lightest in the market. It is more powerful than the MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill, which is 30,000 RPM. So this is the LCD display, which you can see the battery, F for forward and R for reverse buttons to change the direction, perfect for left-handed and right-handed. And this is the switch, forward and reverse button. MelodySusie Jade and Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill is smaller but more powerful. It is very lightweight. It is the smallest and the lightest in the market. It comes with 6 different professional metal nail drill bits and sanding bands that meets your multiple manicure needs for trimming, grinding, carving, cutting, and polishing for all nail arts, as well as cuticle removal. It is suitable for home and salon use. So I'm gonna try to remove my gel polish using the MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill. By the way guys, I really love the color of this nail drill, so comment down below if you agree with me. It is made with twist lock system, which makes it easy to change nail drill bits, but make sure to turn the power off while changing drill bit to avoid the damage of too much power. I will also be using my MelodySusie nail dust collector to collect the dust from the nail while I'm working on my nails. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSE12 or ROSE12 to get a discount when you shop at MelodySusie official shop. MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill comes with 35,000 RPM. It is cordless motor that allows you to bring your beauty salon home and do your own manicure like a pro. It is very functional, versatile, and quiet. It's an essential tool for nail care veterans and beginners. It is used to file and shape of various nails. It works much more quickly than a standard nail file, which is why it is important tool for shaping and maintaining nails. It is also works well for fixing cracks in acrylics, removing lifted acrylics, filing nails before applying gel or acrylic nails, buffing natural nails, fixing cuticles, and smoothing calluses or hardened skin on your hands and feet. So I highly recommend this product because it is easy to learn to use it and it is very lightweight. So here I have the MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill and the MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill. So the green one is the MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill and the white one is the MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. So as you see, MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill is 30,000 RPM and the MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill is up to 35,000 RPM. But they're the same design. They are both powerful and lightweight. It is the smallest in the market It's like the size of your phone. It is easy to carry anywhere you go. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.